Hey everybody, welcome back to another Upwork tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an agency account on Upwork. And so to do that, you're just going to head up into the top right-hand corner and then press settings. Then you're going to locate contact info on the left-hand side, and you're going to scroll down to agency account and press new agency account. Then you're just simply going to type in the name of your agency and press continue. And from there, it's going to ask us to choose either a free plan or a plus plan. Now, if you are going to invite other members to submit proposals on behalf of your agency, you're going to need to go with the plus plan because that's the only plan that allows you to do that, right? And I would recommend it as that's kind of the whole point of an agency, right? It's to have other members submit proposals on your behalf. But for our sake, I'm just going to go with the free basic plan. And then that is pretty much all there is to it, guys, right? You can see here, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade and then invite other members to be a part of your agency. And that process is actually really simple. All you're going to do is press invite, enter in their email, and then send them the invitation. And obviously, whoever you're inviting to be a part of your agency, they need to have a freelancer account on Upwork, right? And so that's all we've got for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more Upwork content.